Ibotta support tickets can be marked closed even when your problem is not solved, and the next step depends on whether you need more help with an offer, account issue, or missing cashback. By the end, you'll know what a closed Ibotta support ticket means, how to reopen the conversation, and what information to include so support can review the issue faster. Start by checking the message connected to your closed ticket. A closed ticket usually means the support conversation has been completed or marked inactive, but it does not always mean the original issue was fixed. If your issue is still unresolved, open the support area in the Ibotta app or website, and create a new request if there is no option to continue the previous conversation. When you submit a new ticket, include the details support needs to identify the problem. Add the email connected to your Ibotta account, the offer name, the store where you made the purchase, and any receipt or transaction information related to the issue. For missing cash back, check that the purchase details match the offer requirements before contacting support again. Support needs accurate information to review whether the purchase qualifies. For account access problems, explain exactly what happens when you try to sign in. Include any error messages instead of only writing that the app is not working. If your ticket was closed because support requested more information, submit the missing details in a new message or request. A support team cannot review information they do not receive. You should also check the Ibotta app for updates before sending another request. Updating the app can fix some display or loading problems that make account information appear incorrect. Avoid sending multiple tickets about the same issue at the same time. Multiple requests can make it harder to follow the original problem. If your new request still does not resolve the issue, reply with a clear timeline of what happened. Include when the problem started, what steps you already tried, and what result you received. The fastest way to get a useful response is to make your support request specific. A message with account details and the exact issue gives the support team more information to review. To summarize, a closed ticket does not always mean your problem is solved. You should provide complete details in a new request if needed, and you should include proof or account information related to the issue. Your next step is to open Ibotta support, review your previous ticket details, and submit the missing information clearly. If this guide helped you fix an Ibotta support issue, like the video and subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides.